abantu abanjani who are at risk. Ukuthi mawungabheka sonke sesiphila kule age la the number of years, shouldn't the lifespan in general is getting longer. It's getting longer. The lifespan, life expectancy is getting longer. During the 80s, umuntu ebephilile mhlambe wafika lapho ku-70 usekhulile. Now, even during this the age of HIV, all of this, people can easily live up until they are 90 years old. Uma umuntu hamba eclinic kahle kanjalo. So abantu abasengozini ukuthi at some point kuzotholakala something wrong, noma khona inkinga kwizinto. The older you get, the higher the chances that you will find something wrong kwizinto. There are some populations you compare when you are comparing it. Asian populations, I mean Indian people and Caucasians, or Africans, there seems to be a difference in how kidney stones present. Okay, lokho akukhulumi kakhulu ngokuthi mhlambe khona into engaphakathi ku-Indians or Africans or whites. Cha, lokho kakhulu kuthinta kuyini diet. Thinta kakhulu kwi-diet. Yes. So, in summary, the older you get, the more you will likely find kidney stone incidence increases. You know, alcohol does have an impact in how your kidney health overall is.